Hey guys, welcome back to Cole Emming, and today we're going to be fishing in the pond where they filmed where the red fern grows. So this is the pond right here. This is what it looks like 22 years later. If you go to the 2003 year, one where they filmed where the red fern grows, the 2003 one, part 2, he should be skipping rocks right off the dam right there. So, yeah, this is what it looks like 22 years later.
Oh, I said I can't hear you.
Yeah.
I thought you said something else.
Oh. Okay. Oh, I want to shoot those dogs so bad. Okay, we're still fishing. We haven't caught anything yet. So we're just gonna keep using this wacky rig. Okay, we switched back to a Texas rig way fern, and we're going to move spots now. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna cast it over here. Okay, we moved spots again. So it looks like a pretty good spot right here. So we're gonna fish here a little bit. Oh, you got a bite, you got a bite. Dang it, he got off again. Oh, might be back on, boys. No, he's gone. Dang it. Oh. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. We got him. That looks like a maybe like a 1.5 pounder. I don't know. Sounds not too bad. Not too bad. Oh yeah. I knew we were gonna catch one. This pond has a lot of fish. When I'm not filming, I get a bite like every 3 casts. It has a lot of fish and they are feisty. Okay, fishing. Oh, we're getting another bite. Dang, he got off again. He might be on. Oh, he's on. Got him. We got another one, boys. Fish number 2. I don't have a tripod, so I can't film it when I catch it very good. I just mounted it to my chest. So if the filming's bad, then that's junk, but okay. Oh yeah. Not as good as the last one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a 1 pounder. Oh, dang, camera. We fished a little longer and we didn't catch any more fish. And they started kind of biting, not very good. So make sure you go to where the red fern grows and see if you can see the kids skipping rocks on the pond. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.